Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repeat last action or how you can effectively duplicate a load. Here I have a basic setup. I've created a vector with value 0, 5, 10 and I'm drawing a radar chart. The radar chart expects you to supply the axis. So you could do it manually by supplying a string and then continue the step and do that again and again. But that's a bit slow. Instead, what you can do is, after you have created an action, you can use the repeat last action command, which is the Control R shortcut. So here, if I do Control R and I do it again, then I can create loads quickly. This is because at the moment you cannot just Control C and Control V to duplicate the load, which will be implemented in the future. So here let's just finish the example. We have ninjutsu, genjutsu, and we have taijutsu, and we have jits, and we have put all of them together, and we get a radar chart. Thank you.